Properties worth millions of naira, they don't go away by the wind and by the fire. Fire outbreak don't catch. In fact, if you now see this place, they say na furniture and the place massive. They happen right now for Ado Road. This one dey for Aja, Lagos. My people, if you now see fire, if you not see fire outbreak, don't be that one where they say the thing even enter main road. Like the thing, you don't finish English, so don't finish from my mouth. I say I go bring a corner side from una way there around that side. Una get people with there around that side. Or una no person way on this furniture, this thing I bed. These people they need serious help and prayers. Now I say I go bring a corner side. So for now, we don't know what thing that happen right now for Aja, Lagos, Ado Road. Because join me, make we watch the video. Years of investment, achievement, savings, prayers, time, energy, no name am. Now just waste like that. And the thing wey even they shock me concerning this matter, they say the thing they happen every year. They said the last one will happen 2 years ago. Now again, the thing don't come. May no be wetin they think. Oh, una want know wetin they think, because now wetin they think now be say maybe government want make use of that place. Maybe government want use that place, and una know say normally maybe they don't want send those people away. They find way and means to frustrate them. You understand? Maybe they don't assign some particular group of people. Say every year go they burn this place. Every year go they burn this place. If not be, because I know that if this thing not be government work, then it's spiritual. Every year or every 2 years, waiting. Now agreement. Una agree with them. Say una go do this. Oh my, they pity for hi Chineke for this economy where we dey. For this economy where we dey, when some of us said we see the plan how we dey chop, we see the plan how we dey save money, we see the plan. You understand all those plenty things. 9% full furniture shop. Nothing remain, no. And una know how foam take the catch fire, like it be like petrol. No, they waste time. Once you don't catch like this, the thing will just Charlie, I just wonder how this person or how these people want to start afresh. How una want to start? I not even they mention the properties or the things or only the place to start a build, to start a do all those things. Now wait till just they think how you want start. This will not be provision shop where you go say with 500,000 you feel bounce back, or with 1 million you feel bounce back. You know how much be furniture? Wood alone, how much did they say wood? You go start all over again. Una see problem where they get with this our country. Una see am. So as this thing went, since the time the thing start, they say they even call fire service. Till now, as soon as they hear me, they say they don't even see the tire. Car tire. They don't even see, and not to talk of the water where they come from the car. See our country. See our country. We know not be anything new, but the only thing we say I need to talk about that. We know say na so they be. You go call them 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Before you see them, now 12 midnight, they go call, they tell you, hey, we did not know the road. Now lie, you not know the road. Very wicked. I'm not just understand this government. Buhari government don't contaminate everything. Hi God. Father, I beg, give these people strength. Have mercy. I just pray say they go restore everything where they don't lose. But people know they easy. Even small business says, where collapse, person one faint. They imagine this kind of thing. I pray say they restore everything where they don't lost. I serious, no, seriously, because I dey feel like they break my heart. And I dey hope say the reason behind this year fire will come to light soon. The reason why every time fire, because I think say na only me notice that thing. People come dey talk am. Say Madam Aproko no be just this year. They say last 2 years. They said I just hope and I dey pray. People where they behind them or the reason where they behind this thing, I pray say go end soon. And we go find out wetin cause am. I know just some people just did deliberately wicked. Some people no just want your shine for this life. I don't know who the owner be. I be the group of owners. I don't know them. I never see them before, but I beg. I bring them out because these people, they need serious help. I know they thought say me you go drop 1 million or anything, but even if not prayer, I beg pray because see, you know easy to start business, not to talk of you don't start finish, then the whole thing you have to come back and start again. You understand? I pray say they go recover everything. May God just help them, my people. I beg help me share this video so that everybody go know waiting they happen now for Ado Road, Aja, Lagos. And if you never subscribe, you go to miss matters like this. Make sure say you share this video, subscribe, and drop your comment, and as usual I will reply now one by one. Stay tuned for our next story. Chief Bola Ahmed, my people, you don't come outside, don't ask federal government make they recruit 50 million youths. Say they carry them go Nigerian army, now there they go to work. Why? Because according to former Lagos State governor, he say the bandits now they use all these jobless youths. Our youth we know they work. He said the bandits they don't use that one as an advantage to change all of them into criminals. Say now the best solution be say they will recruit them inside the Nigerian army. Now there they go start the work. He can ask himself, say what will they eat? Start a list. He they tell us list of what these recruits people go the chop. He say na cassava they available, yam they available, corn they available. In fact, now so bush this man just they mention. Ungwano say okay, oh, make I know just hear this one pass by. I go bring and come aside. No be me talk am. So I want make una hear am from the source himself. Because join me, make we watch the video.
Recruit 50 million youths into the army and take away from their recruitment source. What they will eat? Cassava, agbado, corn, and in the morning, yam in the afternoon. It's growing here. You create demand as consumption.
Every day, Every day are they more convinced. Say, as we elect all those people, na big mistake where we make. Every day of my life, you don't understand. You know what be 50 million youths. Nigeria already get 200 million. I even doubt if our youth even reach 50 million. No, with all the things the way don't they happen, all these. I doubt say we even if we even reach 50 million, my people. By the time they remove 50 million youths, where go remain? These people, I not just understand who they give una ideas. Who they una go just sit down and decide something. See, our problem is not be say they get meeting, they bring matter. Our problem is say all their meetings, all their outcome of their meetings, they always upside down. 50 million youths. So as una recruit this one, as now put them inside Nigerian army, it go solve problem for this country. So now this one go bring solution. Now this one go stop insurgency. Una just see. Ha! Hey. See una president or person wey wan become president. I say I go bring am come aside for una wey don. In fact, I don't Yoruba people. I don't know wetin una don see inside this man body. Yoruba people fit die on top this man matter. I no just understand wetin una see. How much they give una? Election never even reach. Already we don dey see foolishness, and some people go still go line up say they vote for this man. Our future president. I hear you, sir. I greet you. Ha! See, abeg me I no get any problem o. My own be say abeg as long as say this man in children go line up, like in fact na dem go dey front for the no him get children wey still be youths, you understand, so make dem come front. Na only that way we go accept this one. See mouth like cassava, yam, this one, that one. Na cassava and yam your children dey use survive. Na cassava and yam your children they chop as they fresh like that, they grow. Now wetin they chop. See the kind way the army. No wonder Nigeria, anything about Nigeria just dey stagnant. No wonder. See wetin you wan feed people. And no, una even watch video, people even they clap as he talk that nonsense. People they clap. Una get sense like this. Na question I ask you. Una sure say una get sense. Omo, I no just know, but the way I dey see this thing, my people, this man, in case una already get plans, say una go vote for this man as president, because e better me una start dey change una mind. Because I know they see even sense of reasoning self, I no even dey see am. Na person wey go lead us be this o. This one no be governor now, this one no be minister, this one na president, the head of this nation. Una don ask una self, these youths now wey they wan recruit, una know how they go dey get salary. Una don ask una self, we see dey try settle salary matter, we never even finish. We never even finish. Protest still they go on. People they complain salary. Now they go 50 million. Who won't pay these people salary? I've been a free work. They go tell you, you are doing it for the nation. If you die, you die a brave man. Your name will be known. I beg, we don't want to make our name be known. Pay people salary. You never even do the one way they go. You still want to add 50 million people on top. Make una continue. Continue to they believe anything where they tell una. Some of una now una hear cassava, una go because of cassava. You know go farm, make you go bring cassava. If only you see 2023 no far. This one now see they use all this one, they get una attention. And I just hope say una eye feel just open. If una like vote for Ramo, if una like no vote for am, una don't hear am. And as for the youth, please say no to this. If you dey watch me where they don't brainwash you or you been get plans, I beg you, withdraw all your plans. Because the kind suffer wey una dey go suffer for that place. Hey, una never see. If only you know say we get already made in fact already armies for that place. If those people say fit get chance to explain una wetin they go through. Now because they no fit talk, they are suffering. They are suffering, and not just the army. In fact, all the uniform people for this country, they suffer. If you not like, join them. Bia, Mr. Man, make I not even call you safe because see, gather your children, make the day for front. Now only after that one happen, we go think or not be say we go do them. When they don't come out, we go think about them. You go to keep your own children safe. You go to take care of them, give them lavish lifestyle. Then now we, the youth, now we go come face very. See, if I tell you, say these people they no get heart. Una go to think say they lie. Heartless people, selfish leaders in this country, selfish. Now your own good to keep. Now your own good. May they not suffer. May they not go through anything. Then now people own good to die. Continue sending them, and if you not like to follow, I bring them outside so that my eye go open because these people they sabi use 100 naira, deceive all of una. When you see 100 naira notes now, maybe they bundle and 1,000. Now go just they jump, say you have seen money, you have seen money. Time go reach, and now I go still remember this day. So I beg my people, I say I go bring her, and I don't bring her. Anything where you guys talk concerning this thing, maybe you dey part of the youth where they recruit. Well, now they go do army, still drop out for that side, and I will reply on one by one as usual. Because share this video, share this video, make everybody know say yam and cassava na wetin they want feed them. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, wait till they wait for, just click on that thing so that you know they miss anything that we drop here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.